Hazrat Sa'ad bin Abi Waqas radiyallahu anhu states, one day Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came from Aliyah, a place. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed by the mosque of Banu Muawiyah, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam entered it and performed 2 units of prayer therein. We also performed the prayer along with him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then made a long supplication to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then turned towards us and said, I asked 3 things from my Lord Jalla Jalaluhu. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu granted me 2 things, but proscribed me from asking for the third one. I begged my Lord not to annihilate my ummah by a famine. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon granted me that. I requested Allah Jalla Jalaluhu not to destroy my ummah by drowning them. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu granted me that as well. I requested Allah Jalla Jalaluhu that may not fight with one another, but Allah Jalla Jalaluhu stopped me from asking it. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7189.